Hi guys, my name is Mitz from tipsforpc.com and I am signed in to my AdSense account and I'm going to show you how to make an ad. Okay, just quite simple. So what we want to do is we're going to make an ad, a text ad. So we're going to press on AdSense for content. Now I'm actually, if you have a look up here, I'm in AdSense setup. Now you must have an AdSense account to get into any of this. Okay, so if you've got an account and it's all set up, we can go to AdSense setup. Okay, and then press on AdSense for content. Right, now it wants to choose from a link unit or an ad unit. Now I like the ad units. I'm not too keen on the link units, which are these. Okay, so we're going to go for an ad unit, and we've got a choice here whether we have text and image ads, text ads only, or image ads only. So I usually go for the text ads. Okay, now it just depends on where you want to put this ad and stuff like that, with which one you choose. So now we're going to press continue. Now we get to choose how it looks. Okay, so what we're going to do is, look, I know all these ads already and what size they are and stuff like that. So if you're not sure about which one you want to choose, you can press on this link here. Okay, and it'll give you an idea of the formats. We'll open it up fully. So there we go. It's got a leaderboard, 728 by 90, and this is what it looks like. 468 by 60, 125 by 125, etc., etc. If you keep going down, and you might see an ad and you go, oh, okay, this is the perfect size for me. It's 250 by 250. Alright, so what I'm going to do is close that window and go back to this one and look for the 250 by 250 ad, and I'm going to choose it. Okay, now I want to choose the colour. Now purple is not good, so just say that everything else is fine. Here's a sample of the ad over here. Okay, everything else looks fine. There's no background, there's no border, so I've made it all white. So see that the background is white, so it blends in with the page. There's a border which is white. Otherwise, I'll show you. This is what it looks like, which is quite ugly. Okay, so the most common thing is to make it white. Okay, now let's see, where is white? There it is. It's F, 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 6 Fs. Okay, and black is 6 zeros. Okay, now don't ask me any other colours because they're really difficult to remember. Alright, so I just want to change the title here, so I'm going to choose a colour. Now you know the most popular one is blue. Okay, so let's have a look. We'll choose a blue one. Now we'll go over to the ad. It changes it straight away. There we go. Okay, now that ad looks pretty good. So what it's going to do is end up like a 250 by 250 square, the one I showed you before. Now we're going to go down the bottom. Now we can press on preview this AdSense unit. Okay, it doesn't always come up for some reason. Okay, so don't ask me why, and it takes forever. So if you want to close it, look, it's going to take ages and I can't even be bothered with that. So I just close it because I know what size it's going to be and I know what colour it is because I can see it right there. So what we're going to do is go down further. Okay, so we've got a few more things here. We don't have to change every setting, but we do need to change some. So we've got a default font here. Arial or Times Roman is usually what websites have, all of these. If it doesn't look good, you can come back later and change the ad in the Manage Ad sections, okay? So we'll just choose the default and the font size. Now if it really looks huge, you want to come back in here and choose small or medium or something like that. But at the moment we'll just use a default size. Okay, now select a corner style. Now we don't have to do that because there's no border showing. Okay, if there was borders you could change it to rounded and stuff like that. Okay, but there is no border on this ad, so we don't need to do it. Okay, so we'll go down the bottom a bit further. Okay, so over here it says we need to choose what to display if there are no relevant ads available. Okay, so I never have a problem with relevant ads. There's always plenty available, so I just put show public service ads. So when you first put your ad up, they might show public service ads, but later on when they get the idea of what your post is about, it never shows it again, so that's fine. Unless you haven't put your keywords and stuff into your post, Google's pretty smart and knows what's going on, so it'll find out what your post is about, and it will put ads in it that relate to it. Okay, so I don't really worry about any of that, but basically if you do have a problem, then you need to look into choosing something else here. Okay, so at this stage now I press continue, and I have channels. So look, I'm not even going to go into the channels. Just say you've got different websites, you can make a channel for that. So all you have to do is press on add channel, add new channel, and add it. Now, and then you go and choose it like this. You just press add and it goes over here. Okay, now that will apply that channel to that. It's a label, like if someone clicks on it, then you'll know where it's been clicked. Okay, you'll know which website, or you can even have channels for pages and stuff like that. Alright, so we're just going to press continue without a channel, and now we can see that the AdSense unit name. Now when you start getting a lot of ad units, you get confused, so you want to put a little bit of a description in here. Forget about when it was created, who cares about that? You want to put 250 by 250 white and then blue. That would tell you the size and the background, which I always do white anyway, and then blue. But because I do have black and all sorts of things as well, so yeah, so this will tell you basically about what it is. Okay, and then you can press submit and get code. Okay, let's press it. Okay, so here it is. Now all you do is you copy that, right? You select it by making it all blue, right click on it, copy, and now you go over to your website and you paste it into your HTML section. Okay, now there's more tutorials on this website, or well, if you're not on the website, make sure you click in the description and go to my website, because there's more tutorials on how to put AdSense into a WordPress website or even into your HTML. Alright, thanks for watching.